In the digital era, spreadsheets have become an essential tool for businesses, students, and individuals alike. Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets are two popular choices when it comes to spreadsheet software. In this comprehensive comparison, we'll dive into the strengths and weaknesses of each platform, helping you decide which one best suits your needs. Let's explore the key aspects of Excel and Google Sheets side by side. User interface and accessibility. Excel. Microsoft Excel is a part of the Microsoft Office suite and is primarily a desktop-based application. Users must install the software on their devices to use it. The interface is robust and feature-rich, providing a wide range of formatting options and advanced capabilities. Google Sheets. Google Sheets, on the other hand, is a cloud-based application accessible through a web browser. It offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it ideal for collaboration and real-time updates. All changes are saved automatically to Google Drive, eliminating the risk of data loss. Collaboration and sharing. Excel. Excel allows sharing of spreadsheets through email or cloud storage services. However, real-time collaboration can be challenging, as multiple users often end up working on different versions of the same file. Google Sheets. Google Sheets excels in collaboration, as it enables multiple users to work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously. Users can see each other's edits in real time, chat, and leave comments, streamlining teamwork and enhancing productivity. Formula and functionality. Excel. Microsoft Excel is renowned for its extensive library of functions and formulas. It offers advanced mathematical and statistical functions, making it a go-to choice for complex data analysis. Excel's formula bar allows users to create custom formulas to manipulate data effectively. Google Sheets. Google Sheets provides a wide range of functions similar to Excel, but the library may be more limited compared to Excel's vast collection. However, for most general purposes, Google Sheets functions are sufficient and cover the essentials of data manipulation and analysis. Add-ons and extensions. Excel. Microsoft Excel offers a vast array of add-ins and extensions that users can install to enhance its capabilities further. These add-ons provide specialized features for tasks such as data visualization, project management, and financial modeling. Google Sheets. Google Sheets also supports add-ons, though the selection might not be as extensive as that of Excel. Nevertheless, you can find add-ons to streamline workflow, create charts, and integrate with other Google services. Offline access. Excel. As a desktop application, Excel allows users to work offline as long as the software is installed on the device. This feature is particularly beneficial for users in areas with unstable or limited internet connectivity. Google Sheets. While Google Sheets primarily operates online, it does offer offline access with limitations. Users can enable offline mode, but not all features are available without an internet connection. Excel versus Google Sheets, which is better? In conclusion, both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets have their unique strengths, making them valuable tools in different scenarios. If you require advanced data analysis, have complex spreadsheets, or prefer working offline, Excel might be your best bet. On the other hand, if real-time collaboration, accessibility, and cloud-based convenience are your priorities, Google Sheets is likely the better option. Ultimately, the choice between Excel and Google Sheets